Let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. So there's this show, right? It's called Samkeleni. It's on Mzansi Magic, right? And channel 161. And I'm just interested in it. I saw episode 1, episode 2. I don't know how these people got married. I did excuse me, I did not follow their marriages and stuff. But now I'm looking at it and I'm like, I'm not happy already with some of the couples, and I'm like, let us come and discuss this, right? So there's this other guy that is married to an older lady, and it's as if this older lady has her own challenges when it comes to the marriage, right? Because this guy seems like he has not introduced this older lady to his family. But also, I'm also thinking with him, ugel needs on correct. Ugel naye on her side, she's not okay because Ugirl keeps on referring to old things. She doesn't know the family, and I'm asking myself, in all honesty, Uguti, why does she not know the family? That's number one. Number two, why did they get married knowing that the family is not going to accept them as a couple? Because it seems like them here being part of the family is a big deal. If you got married and you knew Uguti, the family is not going to accept you, why now must it be a big deal? I don't know if you're getting me, right? All right, ngisathi ngibheke logo, hayi ishintsha indaba. Balwele ukuthi uGuy akamsupportanga in an argument. uGuy was supposed to be angry naye, agove tension. And I'm like, this girl does not understand ukuthi men are different, are wired differently from women, right? In a sense that in that they cannot carry all the time, like be negative and carry whatever. And when she's asked to see what is the problem, vele, like what is the problem, no one is getting the gist of the problem unless you guys are getting the gist of the problem. Ukuthi no man, khambani kahle kahle la, like vatakwan. Do you understand? But ke, I'm seeing these couples. I love the show. It's showing a different dynamic of marriage and stuff. Wena, what do you think? What are you learning from it? Let me know. This is your girl, Atisewidi. Thank you for watching. I love you. Peace. Bye.